Hey Gotians, welcome back to this another video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. I'm using Office 2021. Today we will be covering power of F4 key. On the screen you can see the simple table in which we have to calculate the annual salary for Sam, Jack, Andres, Joe and John. Their monthly salaries are given. So as we did in our previous tutorial, we just have to click the equal sign. Clicking Sam's monthly salary, which is $2,000, multiply by this 12. Enter, and now you have got the annual salary for Sam. By simply just dragging will not work in this scenario because it is giving you some errors. And we showed you how to check the formula. You can click on any cell and then press F2. For this cell it is correct. It has multiplied B7, which is Sam's monthly salary, into C4, which is the total months in a year, and we want this C4 cell fixed for each and every one. Let's see the annual salary formula for Jack. Clicking this cell, pressing F2, and notice it has multiplied B8, which is Jack's monthly salary, into C5. So by dragging, Excel is changing this cell's position and we want this cell fixed. Now here comes the role of F4 key. Equal to sign 2000 multiplied by this term, and now press F4 key. It has changed C4. $sign with row or column name indicates that it is fixed. So currently it is showing that C4, its row and column both are fixed. So if you drag, then this cell will not change. Pressing enter and now dragging this cell downwards to this cell. Check your formulas. Click this cell. Press F2 and notice for John it has multiplied John's monthly salary by this cell, and that's what we needed. Press enter. In this scenario we fixed both row and column, which means we fixed a single cell. There will be situations in which we will be needing to fix the row and change column by dragging, or fixing the column and changing the row by dragging. For this, let's move to this second sheet. We are supposed to give the product value of 5 and 1 in this cell, product value of 5 and 2 in this cell, 5 and 3 in this cell, and similarly 6 into 3 in this cell. For now, just using the traditional dragging that we have been doing. So equal to sign this into this, enter. But if you drag it, the answers are not correct. 5 into 3 is not equal to 30 and 5 into 4 is not equal to 120. You can check the formulas. Click on this cell, press F2 and notice it has multiplied C5 by D4, which is not correct. So what we need currently is, when we drag this cell towards the right, then this cell column's value should not change, which means we want to fix its column name, which is A. So we need a $sign with A. Also, when you want to drag this cell towards right, then you want this cell row to be fixed, which means you want to fix the row 4, and again which means we need a $sign with 4. So putting these changes to the formula of this cell. Equal to sign, selecting this cell, pressing F4 again and again will give you these options. So we need $sign with A for this cell. We have got this option. Multiply this cell and we need a $sign with 4. Pressing F4 again and again. Now we have got our option. Pressing enter. Dragging this cell towards right, dragging this row downwards. Notice we have got all the values correct, and you may check formula for any cell. Clicking this cell, pressing F2, it is showing that it multiplied A6, which is correct, by D4, which is again correct, and it fixed the column A for A6 and it fixed the row 4 for D4. Pressing enter. This is all from this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial, we will show you the practical example that is very close to the situation that I faced while working in a manufacturing industry. We significantly used the F4 key. Thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.